Welcome to your mats. Kapalabhati pranayama or breath, also called a breath of fire. This unique breathing technique has a distinct mental, physical, and spiritual benefits. In all cleansing routines of yoga, Kapalabhati breathing is the only one which can cleanse both the mind and the body using only breath. Detoxification and purification all in one. Removes toxic air and toxins from our body. As we activating this cleansing breathing technique, we increasing the heat in our body and also helping clear the mucus from the lungs and the respiratory channels. Additional precautions recommended if you are pregnant or if you had a recent internal surgery, pneumonia or bronchitis. Eye or ear infections strongly recommended not to use it. Instead, just connect with your soft, natural breathing on your mat. Also take cautions if you have a high blood pressure, hernia, or under your monthly period cycle. You may experience dizziness or lightheaded, especially on an empty stomach. So just simply use your regular full inhales and exhales on your mat. Kapalabhati breathing activates the brain cells and improves memory, focus, and concentration power. Also helps to strengthen the lungs and increase its capacity. Practicing Kapalabhati breath helps removing blockages not only from the lungs but from the heart, and also beneficial for belly fat loss. Helps our digestion as well, as this forceful breathing massages all of our internal organs in our bellies. Regularly using Kapalabhati breath will bring more oxygen deeper into our cells, giving us a radiant skin, activates the chakra in our body, and helps achieving a higher, greater awakening. So let's start up. Find a comfortable cross-legged seated position on your mat. If this is not comfortable for you, try to elevate the spine by sitting on a folded blanket, towels, or bolster. If this is still not working for you, you're very welcome to just stay and sit, maybe try it on your chair. Kapalabhati breath is a consistent, powerful, short exhales through the nose and passive inhales. As we focusing on the exhales, inhales will taking care of itself. Let's tune in. Take a deep inhale to lengthen the spine towards the sky, and a nice long exhale all the way out. Keep up with this breathing and try to bring the inhales and the exhales to the same length. If it helps, you can count 1 to 4 as you breathe in and 1 to 4 as you exhale down. Until you're connecting with your breath, let me demonstrate one Kapalabhati breath. I'm placing one of my palms over my belly, and when I'm going to exhale the air out through my nose, with every pump I will pull the belly towards the spine. Just like this. Inhale on 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale halfway done, 2, 1. And start pumping short exhales out through the nose for 30 seconds. As you pump the air out through the nose, repeatedly pull the belly in towards the spine as well. Just feel the pump of your belly with your palm. After the last pump, take a big inhale, lengthen the spine, and a huge exhale through the mouth as you hinge the upper body forward. Let's inhale back to the center towards the sky, And exhale through the mouth as you hinge the upper body forward. Let's inhale the body back to the center for now. And just exhale regularly, straight towards the sky. We're gonna repeat this breathing 3 times. If you feel dizzy, just connect with your own natural inhales and exhales anytime. So let's tune in. Let's place one of your palms over your belly, and let's take a deep inhale all the way up on 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale halfway down, 2, 1. And as you still have air in your system, start consistent short exhale like a pumping air through the nose. Try to bring your awareness, the space between the palms instead of the forcefulness. Try to keep it even. Few more pumps here. And as you take the last pump, take a big inhale, lengthen the spine here. And a huge exhale through the mouth as you hinge the upper body forward. Inhale right back to the center. Exhale, moving the body forward. Blow all the air out through the mouth. Let's inhale back to the center. And let's keep it straight. And exhale halfway down on 2, 1. And start the pumping again for 30 seconds. You can keep your eyes closed or open. Bring the palms to an even pace. Just a few more here. And after the last pump, let's take a big inhale, lengthen the spine towards the sky. And a huge exhale as you hinging the upper body forward through the mouth. Inhale back to the center again. And exhale through the mouth, hinging the body forward. Let's come back to the center, stay straight here. Exhale halfway through down on 2, 1, and just start pumping again for 30 seconds. Short, consistent pumps through the nose. Just a few more. And as you take the last pump, let's take a deep inhale, lengthen the spine here. And a huge exhale through the mouth as you're moving the upper body forward. Inhale back to the center, lengthen the spine. And exhale, move forward, blow all the air out through the mouth. Let's inhale back to the center, lengthen the spine. And exhale, keep the spine straight and just drop the shoulders, melt back to your mat with the exhale. Try to close your eyes for a moment here and just feel the energy and the heat that you created in your body, and just absorb. Feel the power of the Kapalabhati breath.